Welcome back to Spare Fashion in another scrap to gift sewing project. Today we are turning fabric scraps into cute mug racks. This is a super quick, beginner friendly project and very useful, perfect for gifts. And yes, I made free PDF pattern for this mug rack you can find on my site sparefashion.com. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and let's begin the fun! Iron your fabric before, during and after sewing. It helps the pieces lie flat and gives a cleaner final result. As a beginner, always choose easy to sew fabrics. My recommendation: cotton, linen and cotton canvas. For more tips for what type of fabrics beginners should choose, you can find on my site sparefashion.com. I will drop the link with this special post about fabrics on my description box. How to avoid mistakes during sewing. That's very important. Always, as a beginner, remember to mark, even as a professional seamstress, always try to mark left sides of your fabrics. This way, you always remember which side is which. It's very important, especially when you are using fabric with similar colors and patterns on left and right side. How to quilt fabric in quick and easy way. Lay your batting flat, place your fabric right side up and cut all the way around, leaving some 1-2 centimeters seam allowances around the fabric. Pin with pins. And so you seam guide for even spacing. Turn and quilt across the other direction. If you want to know more how to quilt fabric, I will leave you a link in the description box. And your quilted fabric is ready to use. If your fabric needs some structure, I recommend to use fusible interfacing with glue. How to use it? It's super easy. Place the glue side to the left side of fabric and press with hot iron. Slowly, don't rush anything. Just press for a few seconds till glue will melt. And voila! Your fabric is firm, crisp and stable, as you see. For reference, you can check the fabrics without and with, soft, crunchy and with fusible. At least you can see the fabric is more firm. Four beginner-friendly ways to make a pattern from any shape. Here as an example will be notebook. First, we need to know height, width and depth. And let's start measuring our notebook. Here are some tips. and measure width, length and depth. Optional, you can add some additional ease to your pattern. Easy and quick way to measure book cover width. Open your book flat. Start measuring from the inside edge at about 6 centimeters. On the side, wrap the tape around the cover. Measure all the way to the other side, inside edge, and add another 6 centimeters. Close your book and loosen the tape gently. Open it again to check the natural tape gently, and voila, this gives you the perfect final width of your book. And draw your measurements straight on the fabric or on the paper. Super beginner friendly method, just use ready-made pattern. You can download from my site sperryfashion.com, where you can find not only patterns but more sewing tips and tricks. Pin your pattern or use weights to keep the pattern in place, and cut out with scissor or rotary cutter. Next method is tracing around the object directly on fabric. Here, for example, place the book or notebook on your fabric and redrive the shape. After you finish, don't forget to add seam allowances and additional ease. And the last one method is molding. It's shaping the fabric around the object. Place your notebook, for example, on left side of the fabric and cover with fabric, like sandwich between two pieces of fabric. Then start molding. After you create some shape around your notebook, it's time to redraw the shape. But it's very important to add some ease and of course seam allowances. And very last step is just cutting your pattern out. Don't forget about your seam allowances and some ease, because it's easier to downsize than upsize, trust me. Final check and voila, your pattern is ready, and in this case it's book sleeve. Before we start, you need to cut out 5 squares in the colors and designs you like. Now we're gonna iron our squares into cute rectangles. So, with left sides together, fold your squares to the rectangle shape and press flat. And repeat exactly the same process with each square. If you cut like me a bit uneven square, you can smooth out the shape by trimming any excess fabric. Now is the fun part. We're gonna create some cute shapes. With the right side up, place one square flat, and on top of the square, start placing triangles to the corners. One triangle to the one corner. Now we're gonna hide one corner of the triangle under another corner of triangle like this, and overlap with other corner of triangle. And voila, we have beautiful shape. And 1 centimeter from the edge, sew all the way around. It's such a fun project. Let's make another one, shall we? This time we're gonna change the shape of our coaster. So, as before, we're gonna, this time, with left sides together, fold our square and press flat to the, this time, rectangle shape. And repeat the same process with each square. Place your base square right side up and start pinning the rectangles. And now it's time to overlap ends to create this cute mini square shape. With 1 centimeter away from edge, sew all the way around. Let's cut some these sharp corners and thick fabric all the way around our coaster. But be very careful and don't cut the seams, okay? And let's turn right side out. And top stitch all the way around 1 centimeter from the edge. And voila, congratulations! You just made your cute rock cap. You can use it as you like it, or you can give it away to your loved ones if you saw them a bit more aesthetic than I did. As you see, it's a very easy project. You can play with the shapes, colors, design, and even sizes. Don't forget to grab free PDF pattern on my site spiralfashion.com. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one!